how much should you actually spend on a rice cooker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Green Life Compact Rice Cooker. First up, we have the Green Life Rice Cooker. Priced at just $25.97, it really caught my attention with its compact design and healthy ceramic nonstick pot. If you want an affordable, space-saving option for small kitchens, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-cup cooked capacity means you can whip up enough rice for family meals or gatherings without any hassle. Plus, the PFAS-free ceramic interior ensures easy cleanup. No one likes scrubbing sticky rice off a pot. The simple one-touch operation allows you to switch between white and brown rice with
Product number 2, Cuckoo Micom Rice Cooker. Next, we have the Cuckoo Micom Rice Cooker, retailing for $119.95. This one stood out to me with its versatile cooking options and fuzzy logic technology. If you want perfectly cooked rice every single time, this is definitely worth your attention. Here's why. It offers 8 different menu options, so whether you crave glutinous rice or oatmeal, this cooker has you covered. The 3-cup uncooked, 6-cup cooked capacity is great for families, and the self-cleaning setting makes your life way easier. Honestly, this could be a game changer for busy households. The 400+ units sold recently illustrates its demand. Now, some users mentioned it's on the pricier side for a rice cooker. Here's the thing though, if you appreciate high-quality rice and convenience, the price reflects that. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile cooker that does it all. Skip this one if you just want something basic. The functionality justifies the cost. All right, that was a solid option, but the
Product number 3, Black & Decker 16-cup rice cooker. Now let's talk about the Black & Decker 16-cup rice cooker. While the price is currently not available, it's known for its large capacity and features. If you often cook for a crowd, this one deserves your attention. The 8 cups uncooked yield 16 cups cooked, which is perfect for parties or meal prep. It comes with a steaming basket, letting you prep healthy meals while cooking rice. That's a 2-in-1 win. The automatic keep warm setting is also a big plus, ensuring your rice stays fluffy and ready to serve. It's already gained traction with over 1,000 sold last month. Now, some users found it a bit bulky. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you have the space, the capacity is unbeatable. This is perfect for you if you host gatherings often or have a large family. Skip this if you have limited counter space. It's a great value considering the capacity. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, check out what's next.
Product number 4, Aroma 20-cup rice cooker. Up next is the Aroma 20-cup rice cooker, priced at $39.99. This one is perfect if you have a big family or love batch cooking. The big rice pot can handle 10 cups of uncooked rice, so you can easily feed a crowd. I love that it automatically adjusts the cooking temperature and switches to keep warm, which means you can set it and forget it. The steam tray included allows you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously. That's a major time saver. With over 300 sold recently, it's clearly popular among rice lovers. Some people mentioned it doesn't have advanced features like some pricier models. Here's the thing though, it's straightforward to use, which is a huge plus for many. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense cooker that handles large quantities. Skip this if you need specialized cooking modes. It's an excellent value for feeding a crowd. And speaking of no-nonsense, let's wrap it up with our final pick.
Product number 5, Green Life Gray Rice Cooker. Finally, we have another Green Life rice cooker, this time in gray, also at $39.99. It has the same great features as its cream counterpart, with a compact design and healthy ceramic nonstick interior. If you're drawn to aesthetics but still need functionality, this is worth considering. The cool touch handles and precise cooking means you won't burn your fingers while serving. Plus, it automatically switches to keep warm mode, ensuring your rice is always ready. It's gained popularity too, with over 300 units sold. Some may feel it's redundant if they already own the cream version, but here's the thing. The gray option is perfect for those who want a stylish kitchen upgrade.
This is perfect for you if you love a chic design combined with convenience. Skip this if you prefer larger capacity cookers. The price makes it a smart buy if aesthetics matter to you. So there.
To quickly recap, we covered the Greenlife compact rice cooker for small spaces, the Cuckoo Mycom for versatile cooking, the Black & Decker for large families, the Aroma for batch cooking, and another Greenlife for a stylish touch. No matter your needs, there's a great option on this list for you.